Just need to catch up. Okay. Hey, just wanted to take a moment to hit you guys up with the live update on some upcoming content here on the channel. We're going to try and get over to LinkedIn as well, but still trying to get the LinkedIn Live account access up and running. So you just got to bear with me a little bit on that. But got some good news. The second lesson of the level of repair analysis course launched last night. So if you would like to take part in both lesson 1, which is the introduction to level of repair analysis, and lesson 2, non-economic analysis, you can check us out at eastpartnership.org. Click on the lifecycle management link, or go to the course list and search for level of repair analysis and enroll today. Yeah, so pretty excited because that's a pretty extensive lesson module for the course, and put a lot into it, including a segment based on a case study on a diesel engine. So rather than just spit out a bunch of information about non-economic analysis and leave you to your devices to try and figure out how to apply it to a case, I created a case study of a diesel engine, large diesel, that would be a complex asset that's familiar to most people, covers so many different industries, and even people that don't work with them understand the complexity of an engine to a certain degree. So I use that to guide the development of some non-economic level of repair analysis questions. So you can have some context in the case study and go through this extensive list of questions to ask about product support and integrated logistics. So you can develop either questionnaires or gather data about your asset in the level of repair analysis. And that's one way for you to get your data. So pretty cool little case study that I've added to lesson 2 of the LORA course for your viewing pleasure. Okay. Second big point to make is that sometime in the month of May, I'm still trying to get the date and day and time nailed down, but myself and Jesus Sifonte will be presenting a webinar with the maintenance community over at UpKeep, and we'll be talking about reliability-centered maintenance, and it's going to be a great time. Now, Jesus is fantastic. If you haven't checked it out yet, I just posted this last week. I posted a video where Jesus and I talked about the pros and cons of RCM in industry right now, and some of the issues we see in practice, and some of the things we experienced in our careers and in working with RCM in various stages and applications. So we're going to carry that message forward to a webinar with the maintenance community. We're super excited about that. So more to follow on date and time in May for that. And then finally, as you may know, we're going to be we're working with Greeman Asset Management Academy to launch the Asset Management 103 course, which is Asset Information Management. And this one's going to be amazing. Since we're launching in April, we're going to host a live webinar in April and discuss all things asset management with Suzanne, including information management. So, you know, just a quick update on what's going on with us here at East. And we look forward to seeing you guys on the site. We look forward to seeing you in our newly launched Life Cycles community, subscription exclusive community at eastpartnership.org. And of course, here at, if you're seeing this on YouTube, here at YouTube, so make sure you subscribe and keep up with this as we move forward in 2021, because it's going to be very busy for us. Okay, talk to you guys soon. Thanks.